Our next guest says, well, it wasn't a good quarter. I want to get to Dan Ives and everything he's got to say. Of course, longtime bull on the stock from Wedbush Securities, Managing Director of Equity Research. Dan, I'm reading your report, which you wrote very quickly. Let's call it as it is. While we were anticipating a bad quarter, this was an unmitigated disaster. First quarter deliveries was a nightmare quarter for Tesla, you wrote. Elon is now pressured by the street, and China demand remains very soft. And you also say, in this case, street criticism is warranted. But then I end, and you still have an outperform rating, and I wonder why.
Hey, look, I mean, for the long term, like in terms of the actual opportunity for EV, for full self-driving, for autonomous, that's still there. But let's just call it like it is. This is no smoke and mirror. I mean, if you looked up train wreck in the dictionary, you'd see a picture of Tesla's 1Q quarter. And you know, I think the big problem is deliveries. How do you reverse the trend? And that's why I believe this is a fork in the road. In other words, Musk either turns this around, whether it's cutting prices, put the strategy in place, or David, I think we sit here maybe 3-4 quarters from now, and this was actually a seminal moment and the start of what could be some darker days ahead if they do not turn this around.
All right, but what does the turnaround look like? You say cutting prices. Clearly, they're facing more competition from Chinese EV makers, not just in the domestic Chinese market. So what do you do if you're Tesla?
I think you have to lay out the strategy. Okay, what are price cuts going to look like? When are the new models coming? What could software be as a percent of revenue? What's the AI roadmap? Right now, it's essentially playing darts blindfolded. You don't really have an adult in the room. The conference calls, as we've talked about here, have really been horror shows. So investors, they're hoping in terms of that, what's on the other side of this. Now, in terms of the growth, the opportunity, $30 billion in cash, they're in a phenomenal position from that perspective. But I'd say probably this is what I'd say in the last 5 years, probably the darkest period relative to what we're seeing in China. And this quarter, exclamation mark.
All right, but you talk about, the hope of investors. You still clearly have hope as well. So what do you base your hope on? You've been, the last 2 minutes here, you've been quite negative.
Mm-hmm. It's that we're 3-4% of automobiles are EVs. Is that full self-driving autonomous? You could argue that could be $1 trillion worth of value from a software perspective. The China story, you've seen the price cuts start to stabilize. They had a good week of the last quarter. So there are some optimism, and I still believe you could be toward 2 million units for the year. But this quarter, there's just no way to sort of glass half full it. I mean, this is one where even whisper numbers call it 415K. 386, a disaster.
So is it supply or demand? Because we expected some production setbacks in the first quarter.
I think supply would be dog ate to homework. Maybe call it 30K. You could explain that in a press release. But realistically, it's demand. And I think the problem here, Sarah, is that, okay, you're either going to cut prices or ultimately, you're going to hold serve and then focus on what you could actually do but hold margins and where volumes could go. The problem is that you can't just put one toe in the water. In other words, what's the strategy? How are you going to reverse?
And do you know